Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Shehbaz Lambat, so I'm showing to a Sony uh, sbh20 Bluetooth handset. Really, Sony make believe. I believe some I have there is my Sony MW600. Some I am 1 month ago maximum. So I'm showing this video, and now I'm by sbh20. There is a color available, white and normal green and pink and orange. I buy to black. Black look is very awesome. So I'm showing to a slow look what the right thing is a sbh20. Some video play to low people is not give a good video. Some is not one information shows, but I'm sure to full information. Bluetooth NFC option, of course, 3.5 mm macro. Macro, yeah. USB port, and there is a HD voice. Of course, there is a back. Give that cable, charger, and there is a Bluetooth handset. There is information. You look and read. Just and stop. There is camera for you. There is a note, this angle stamp. There is a serial on some on this side. Bluetooth, store handset, some information, language difference. This side, first side, and there is a bottom. Some serial made in China, some is a fit China, So I have on the one hand, so I'm confused how to open this box, but I'm trying to give you a good performance and good looking unboxing experience. I know some people is angry with me. This one is not give a good video, but I have only two hand. One hand is stand in the camera, and one is opening the box. So I'm sticking. Look, this one is very easy to you open your box, no damage. This one is my trick, yeah. Fine. So now oops, stay back. Oops. One trick, yeah. Fine. Oops. These are very hard, so you yeah, this one is a locked up. Some my more old video, this views I'm sure to showing you. Okay, look, box. Nice package. Now open this side. Stay there. First is earbuds. Fine. And what is more, there's a charger. Yeah. Come on. There's charger. Information, some USB charger, Sony logo. Fine. So more. What is this? So my one hand really problem for video. Nothing. Some detail box. Yeah. There is a some information to Sony information guide. Okay. Same, this one is a different language. Fine. Look, finish, nothing. Empty box. There is one is a data cable, small giver cable. Wait, yeah, small giver cable. Fine. Why not focusing? Please focus. Wait, so my camera is I think crack. No problem, sorry, but there's a made in China logo, but this one not focusing this time. I don't know why, but no problem. This one is a handset. Back side, look this way. Some I have not detail how to leave there on this side, but some you look my trick. This one, yeah, you simply leave it, yeah, okay. Oops, Sony will give a very interesting techniques. Yeah, this one on a plastic to fit your and I think this one is a very different step to leave. Yeah, and now this one is a back clip, so I think his trick yeah, easy to press there. Fine, your books back same look, no damage. Now there one is a sbh20 to a NFC feature is awesome. There is a wiper, some not scratches, you know, covered. Some there is a damage, so Sony gave me not good product. But no problem, very good feel, really awesome. Lighter, same to a MW600 look, but this one is a really cool and new 2013 LLC released. I'll show you to it. There is a volume button, plus minus, there is a on off, and there is a light to a signal give. Look, there's a 3.5 mm, and there is a mic, of course. And this side nothing. This side is a micro SD port. Yeah, look, fine. I pressed it. Yeah, this one is a package, full packing to a Sony sbh20. This one is a hand-free, same a hand-free and MW600 will look. MW this one is 600 handset, and this one is a totally same, not different. Anchor wise same, all is same. 3-point jack. This is made in China, of course. Will look. So my camera is focusing. Yeah, fine. Good. This one is a full. I'm showing to a unboxing. Look here, and there. This one is a full pack unboxing. I'm showing to a sbh20 handset. I know this video is not good, but I'm showing to a next review is how to connect your device. But first time I'm not run on some, give a battery time maximum 5 hours. Long battery time is this reason you give maximum charging 5 to 6 hours. So thanks for joining me. This one is unboxing reviews I'm showing you. So next video I'm showing to how to connect your laptop, device, and anything. So thank you for joining me. Allah Hafiz, take care.